Hi, in this video we're going to look at the addition, the subtraction, the multiplication and looking at the conjugate of a complex number. It says given that z is equal to minus 3 minus 5i and that w is 6 minus 3i, find z plus w, b z minus w, c z times w, d z plus z star, and z star is called the complex conjugate, and E z times z star. Okay, so z is minus 3 minus 5i, w is 6 minus 3i. So we're going to add them, z plus w. So we've got minus 3 minus 5i plus 6 minus 3i. Now to add or subtract complex numbers, you need to add the real parts together and the imaginary parts together, taking account of the signs. So that becomes minus 3 plus 6, putting the real bits together, minus 5 minus 3i, putting the imaginary parts together. So it's going to give me minus 3 plus 6, which is 3, and then minus 5i minus 3i is minus 8i. So the answer is 3 minus 8i. The subtraction, z minus w, you have to be a little bit more careful here because it's minus 3 minus 5i minus, now you need to put the second one into brackets, 6 minus 3i, but put the brackets in, because when you do algebra, of course, when you remove the bracket you're going to get minus 6, but then a minus times a minus will make plus 3i, and then you add the real bits together, minus 3 minus 6, which makes, and minus 5i plus 3i, so it's going to make minus 9, and then minus 5 plus 3i is going to make minus 2i. Multiplying, it's like multiplying out brackets. When you've got two brackets, we've got minus 3 minus 5i and 6 minus 3i, so you're going to do minus 3 times 6 minus 3i, and then minus 5i times 6 minus 3i, then expanding, minus 3 times minus 6 gets minus 18, minus 3 times minus 3i gives you plus 9i, and then minus 5i times 6 is going to give you minus 30i, and then minus 5i times minus 3i is going to give you plus minus 15i squared. Now it's better to just write I squared in to begin with. So that gives you minus 18 plus 9i minus 3i. Now I is the square root of minus 1, so I squared is equal to minus 1. So this is quite an important statement when using complex numbers. So this will become 15 times minus 1, which makes minus 15. Now we can add the real bits together, so minus 18 minus 15 makes minus 33, and then plus 9 minus 30 makes minus 21i. So the final answer is minus 33 minus 21i. Right, if z is minus 3 minus 5i, then the complex conjugate is going to be z star. So what you do is you write down minus 3 and 5i, and because the sign here is minus, you change the sign here to be plus. So if this had been a plus here, you change that to be a minus. Then to add the original complex number with its conjugate, so you get minus 3 minus 5i plus minus 3 plus 5i, so you're going to get minus 6, and then minus 5i plus 5i, you're going to cancel out, so you just get an answer of minus 6. So we note that z plus its conjugate is a real number. Now if we multiply the number by its conjugate, so we've got minus 3 minus 5i times minus 3 plus 5i. Now, you should use this idea that a minus b times a plus b is a squared minus b squared. So we need to do minus 3 all squared. I'd advise you to write this bit down. Minus 5i all squared. So that gives you 9 minus 25i squared. Now I squared is equal to minus 1, so this will become 9 plus 25, because it becomes 25 times minus 1, which is plus 25. So it's a good idea to write this bit down, which gives you an answer of 34. And notice that z times its conjugate is also a real number. Okay, this has been a video to show you how to do addition, subtraction, multiplication, and looking at the conjugate. I hope you've understood, and I thank you very much for watching.